Well, finally, we got the sell-off that many people have been looking for. And, maybe it's a one-day sell-off. Maybe it'll last a little bit longer. But market sell-off today was very, very broad-based. Even though it was led by tech, Apple down 8%, Amazon down 5%, Google down 5%, so on and so forth. The Dow was off 1,000 points at one point, settled down 800 points today. S&P's settled down 125 points, or about 3.5%. NASDAQ was off 600, or 5%. However, you did see some sectors, some of the back to the economy stocks like the cruise lines and some retail were actually higher today, but volatility up across the board, up 20 to 25% today. And much of this may have been just, some hedging and taking a little bit off the table ahead of tomorrow's big jobs number that we get, the August jobs number tomorrow. Even though this morning we saw the weekly claims number come in better than expected, all eyes are going to be on tomorrow. ES option data from yesterday, about 768,000 options traded, very, very bullish, 53% on the call side. Going out to December, the December 4,000 calls traded 10,300 times. The December 4,100 calls traded 8,200 times. September 3,700 calls traded 8,100 times. And then the end of month, October 4,050 calls traded 6,500 times. Also, as we know, started this week were options on the micro E-mini S&P and NASDAQ options. 6,000 of the micro S&P E-mini options traded yesterday. Expected move that the market is pricing in for tomorrow is about 50 points, and going out to next Friday, 120 points. Quick update on Bitcoin, hit 12,000 resistance, couldn't hold, massive plunge below 11,000. Big volumes on CME today. CME futures almost 19,000 contracts.